Hello everybody and welcome. Hope you're all well. We're going to be carrying on with our Bluetooth theme at the moment. And what I'm going to show you is, your remote controls for your TVs. All right. They work on Bluetooth. Well, the majority work on Bluetooth, and we're going to simulate that using our remote control to turn something on and something off. All right. So what we're going to do, we are going to set up just a simple little LED circuit. All right. The LED long leg to the left, short leg to the right goes to ground. 220 ohm resistor. Other end of resistor to pin 2. We're using a pin 2 for this. Radio, pin 2. And we're going to use our mobile phone as a remote control. And the ESP32 for the receiver. All right. So let's get on with the coding. All right, first thing we need to do is include our libraries. Let's hashtag include space quotes, and it's Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth serial. Capital S on the serial, .h. Come outside the, let's go back. Come outside the quotes, enter, and it's hashtag include a space quotes, and it's a string. All right, string.h. Come outside the quotes, enter. Let me get this pointer out of the way. And we have to define our LED pin, so it's hashtag define space, and it's LED capitals space 2. Right after this, enter. And then we need Bluetooth serial, capital S. Right, Bluetooth serial space serial, capital BT for Bluetooth. Right, semicolon, enter. Right, then we need to set up our buffer size for our characters, how many characters we can use. Right, so characters, CHAR, buffer. All right, and it's square brackets, and we'll go up to 20. All right, come outside the square brackets, semicolon. Radio, enter. Static, int, count. All right, all small case, equals 0, semicolon, enter. Right, so that's our variables and everything set up there. Right, our variables and objects. All right, our variables and objects go up there. Let's go to our void setup. Things that we want to happen only once. They go inside the 2 curly brackets, enter. First thing we've got to do is our pin mode. All right, our pin mode is brackets on. It's LED, comma, space, and it's an output, all capitals. Yeah, all capitals. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Next, we need to set up our Bluetooth device name. So it's serial, BT, capitals. All right, got begin. Brackets on, quotes, ESP32, next. Right, as before, okay? come outside the quotes, come outside brackets, semicolon, enter. Now we need to do our baud rate, our serial.begin. Serial.begin, brackets on, and it's 115, 200, or whatever you have your baud rate on your serial monitor set. Okay, curly brackets. Then we want to, when we made the connection, right, we need to let the person that's using this program, which is us, let them know. All right, so serial dot print, and it's line. And for line we use N and N. All right, brackets on, quotes, backslash N. Right, backslash N. The device has started. Comma. Now you compare. With Bluetooth. Exclamation mark if you like. Come inside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Right, that's our void setup. Right, that's our void setup done. We now need to go to our void loop. Things we want to happen repeatedly. Let's come down. A bit of tidying up. Okay. Things we want to happen repeatedly. They go inside the curly brackets. Enter. And it's a while. Brackets on. Serial. BT. Capitals. Dot. Available. Right. Dot available. Brackets on. Brackets off. Come outside both brackets. Okay. Enter. Curly brackets. Enter. Right. Buffer. Square brackets, count. Come outside the square brackets. Space equals space serial BT. Yes, on serial capital and the BT capital dot read. All right, brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. And then we want count plus plus semicolons. Rightio. Come outside the curly brackets. We now got an if statement. So if brackets on, count is greater than 0. Right, come outside the brackets, no semicolon, space, curly brackets, enter. Then it's our first if. Where are we? If count greater than 0, it's serial.print. Brackets on, buffer. Right, the characters. All right. Because we up the top, remember we put show you. All right. In the serial, count equals 0. Char buffer 20. All right. That's all to do with that. All to do with that. So we've done that first one. Our first if. What have I put it? If brackets on count equal greater than 0, zero print buffer, enter. If brackets on, strn for string, all right, CMP, and it's brackets on, buffer, right, comma, space, quotes, and it's small LED underscore on, comma, 6. From outside the brackets. All right. From outside the brackets, equals 0. Right. Come outside the brackets. No semicolon. Space. Curly brackets. Enter. And this is what we want it to do. Digital right, capital W, brackets on, and it's LED, comma, I. Okay, so when we type in, all right, LED on, the LED will go high. Okay, semicolon. Come outside the curly brackets, right? And we've got our second if statement, brackets on, strn, CMP, brackets on, buffer, all right, comma, space, quote, and it's LED underscore off. From outside the quotes, bracket 7. From outside the quotes, equals 0. From outside the brackets, space, no semicolon, curly brackets, enter. Right. And what we need to do here is a digital write. On, and it's LED, comma, below, all capitals. From outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Come down a bit, okay. From outside the curly brackets, and it's count equals 0, semicolon, enter. Mem set, so set the memory, brackets on, buffer, comma, 0, 20. So it's gonna clear everything, yeah. Remember we had our maximum characters to 20. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets. Okay? Just quickly go through. 115-200, ESP32. There's, yeah. You try uploading it. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. We're compiling the sketch. And we got an error. Hashtag include. Got the E on Bluetooth. Okay. Easy sorted. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay, while this is uploading, guys, make sure that your Bluetooth on your mobile is turned on. You got the app open. What's the problem here? Combination of too few agreements to function int. Right, let me have a look at this. strn CMP buffer. Comma. Take that space out. Take the space out of both of them. Okay. LED on. If brackets on STIMCMP comma LED underscore off quotes comma 7 brackets equals 0. To write LED low. And here STRN EMB. Same as up top. Compilation error, too few arguments to function. Constant char. Size T. Just quickly check this, guys. Bluetooth H string.h LED2. Char buffer 20. I want to check that that is definitely square brackets on off equals 0. LED comma output spin mode. Well, serial. Let's just check. I'm just checking, guys. If count greater than 0 print buffer. If brackets on STRN CMP brackets on buffer comma quotes LED underscore on I see it. I see it, guys. Put the quotes in the wrong place. Put it after 6 and 760. Did you see that? Okay, should we try again? Try again. That took a little while. Sorry about that, guys, but I saw it in the end. Okay, as I was saying, guys, make sure you got your Bluetooth turned on and you've got the terminal opened, all right? Or whatever terminal you're using, I don't know why I keep looking up there. I've got my new microphone, it's putting me off. I'll get used to it. And we've done compiling, and now we're going to upload. Come on. Come on. And we're uploading. Just sorted. And we're nearly there. We're nearly there. Excuse me. So, just a reminder, if you haven't got your kits yet, I've got a couple of links down below where you can get your boards and all your components you might want to take a look at. Right. Okay. Start our serial monitor. I always like to use this button up here instead of going tools. It's just one press and it's there. Open the serial monitor, press my reset. There we go. Device has started. Let's go to overhead. Yeah, bring up my view. Right. Okay, here we got our terminal. Oh, all right. Now the way we connect down arrow devices, there's our ESP32 test. Connect. Connecting. Can you see that? And we're connected. Right, what I want you to do is click in there. And the keypad will come up. LED underscore on. Are you ready? Let's hope it works. No. There we go. LED on. Okay, and then we go off. Click. You can see that. Off. On. Great stuff. Great stuff. We'll do one more off. And there we go. You got your remote control and you got your receiver. Okay, and that's how we configure our mobile phone to speak to our ESP32. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, we can use it for lots of things, you know, for turning stuff on and off. You can add other components, a fan, for instance, which I need, and stuff like that. All right, you just need to change some of the code. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, we're not here to be engineers. We're here so we can communicate with our kids. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Please take care. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.